everyone, today I will be talking about one of the least favorite plumbing fixtures for some, which is toilet. Today we'll be changing the toilet seat. So first what you want to do, clean up your toilet. You need to measure the old one. It's a 16-inch by 14-inch, and then you go to the plumbing store, big box store. There are a couple of options. Either it's wooden seats or it's a polypropylene seats, which is plastic. Now the wooden seats could be warmer, a little bit heavier. They obviously glazed with, white glaze. The downside of those, they yellow over time. So you might consider changing them once a couple of years. The plastic ones do not yellow, but they're a little bit colder, and I think they tend to scratch a little bit more. And also you want to consider you want hard close or you want a soft close. I went for the soft close because I don't want the lid to do like this. The next step is you want to take all the old lid and again clean it up, because I'm guaranteed there will be something that you do not want to see. Usually to take all these seats you need to unscrew it at the bottom. I lifted up this lid. Now I will clean it up, remove the bolts, and we'll install the new one. Now when you remove the seat, there will be two bolts that usually tighten at the bottom, so you just want to take and unscrew both of them. Take a bleach, take a rug. Of course you have to be in disposable gloves. Remove the bolts and clean up the area. Make sure you work in ventilated area. Now I went to the store and got a brand new toilet seat. It's the polypropylene, it's the soft close, it's adjustable, and it's fitting this toilet really well. Now this particular seat has a lock tool, so unlock it and remove this part. You will install the seat on top of it. You take the bolts, drop them in, screw them into the nuts from the bottom. And you do the same on the other side. Don't screw until the very end, because this will allow you to position a seat towards the water tank or from the water tank. You just want to flip on the lid, lock it, and then move it to the desired position. Then once you have it in desired position, you can either screw from this side, but it's harder, or you can detach it again, just gently. And then you can continue screwing these two bolts. Of course, do not over tighten. You do not want to crack your toilet. Next step, you put the lid back on, you lock it, and then you test it out. Okay, so this is how you change the old toilet seat to the new one. It's a pretty straightforward process. Thanks for watching, and as usual, let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Cheers!